Yes, we can both scribble now.
Yeah. If anybody shares, I just.
Everyone's here. I think they're just gonna come back. Don't worry, we'll get started. All right, stop sharing screen, Umaima.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Can everyone stop sharing screen? Thank you.
Fantastic. Oh, we got everyone
Thank
here.
you.
Yeah, almost.
And also, I need everyone to switch on their cameras.
Hashir, Manha, Mustafa,
Manha, Mustafa, Qazi, and Hashir.
Fantastic.
And we have an Umar professor. Who is Umar? Umar is a professor.
No. Just keep his name Umar Professor. Umar
Okay,
Professor.
but why
He's
does
a
he call
professor.
himself Umar professor?
He's
Umar, answer me.
angry on me. He's angry on me right now.
Why is he angry on you?
Because I told like that. He just keeps like that. His name.
Oh, okay. But I want Umar. Umar, I want you to put yourself. I want you to unmute yourself and tell me why do you call yourself professor?
Because he likes to be a professor.
But why? Why are you the professor?
Like this only.
Okay.
He thinks he is a
Maybe
professor.
in future he wants to become a professor.
Oh,
No.
why?
Umar.
Hi. Hi, Shazia.
Hi everyone. Hi Katika ma'am.
So everyone is hi. So everyone, I can't. Is Musfira there?
Yes, Musfira is
Musfira,
here, but
she's there. But
she's
where is
not
other
there.
Musfira?
Oh, Khadija, you're showing me money. We are not going to do money. We are going to do something else.
Yay!
We finished the money chapter. I think you all know how to go and do shopping now with money, and you know how to get change back, how to pay money.
Katika
And
ma'am, last time you have promised something to show something, some snake or something.
not right now. I am not stepping out of the house right now. With the
That's okay.
I am not. Now, I will show you the pictures. I don't have pictures, but let me see if I can.
Even I am excited to see that.
But
Last time, ma'am told us like she's going to show us some snakes.
yeah,
Yes.
All forgot. How can you forget that?
No, I remember, but I'll have to collect pictures and we'll do a separate.
We'll
session
do it
for
later
that.
on, ma'am.
Do a separate session for that.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
absolutely fine.
Okay. So today, we start today's class, and what we are going to do is measurements today. What are we going to start with?
measurements.
Measurements.
Measurements. So now, what do you understand when measurement? Raise your hand and tell me.
I know, ma'am.
Tell me,
Can
what do you
I?
understand? Yes, you can.
Measurements means that we measure things.
We
means-
measure things.
Means we take a long scale and we measure this paper, how much long it is, like that.
Very good. Okay, Khadija, you need to stop showing me money because we are not doing money today. You have to keep the money aside.
We
Okay.
can bring scale.
Yeah, wait a second.
Khadija.
Okay, Khadija, you have to keep purse and money aside. Can you please keep it aside and come? You're disturbing the class. Okay.
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now I want you to tell me. I'm going to where is the whiteboard? Where is my whiteboard? Okay, I found my whiteboard. Okay, can everyone see the whiteboard?
Yeah, no, yes.
Yes.
No, everyone can see. Okay. So now I want you to tell me what are the different things that you use to measure. Someone said you bring a ruler, correct?
Me,
Huh. Umaima said. So I'm just going to write here. So we have a ruler. What else have you seen? Where else do you see measuring? Where do you see measurements in your life? How do you measure things? So you measure length? Okay.
yes.
Yes, you measure length. You measure weight. How don't when you go to doctor, doesn't the doctor ask you how much do you weigh?
Yes, weighing table.
So weighing, let's say weighing scale.
Yeah, scale, sorry.
Yes. Also, when you go to grocery store, don't you say you give me 1 kg of onion?
Yes, kg.
Kg. So we do weight of things. Can I say weight of things?
Yes,
Yes.
and fruits.
And food. So
Ma'am,
weight.
we have to write this. Ma'am,
No,
we
you don't have to
write
write.
this in
No,
the
no, not at all. Don't write anything.
Vegetables.
So I'll write weight of fruits and vegetables. Okay. Next, what else? Don't you measure water?
No, we don't.
Okay. So if you go
Yes,
out,
we do.
yeah. So who said
No,
yes?
we
We do.
don't.
Yes, we do measure
No,
water.
we don't.
It's okay.
Yes.
No,
So if
we
we
don't.
it's okay. 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 We do. Who is scribbling on the whiteboard? Who just scribbled on the whiteboard?
Not me.
Who did this? I'm stopping the class until and unless the one who did it will not tell. Who scribbled on the whiteboard?
I don't know.
Khadija, I can see an arrow with your name on it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I was checking, but my hand just accidentally went on the whiteboard.
Okay, fine. And why do I see your arrow with Khadija's name in that? Khadija, did you make this? So why did you make this in the middle of the class? Can you unmute yourself? You're on mute. Khadija, you are on mute. You need to unmute yourself.
Okay.
So why did you make an arrow in the middle of the class on the whiteboard?
I didn't mean to make it.
But I did not ask you to make it. You will not, I'm telling this once last time to the entire class. You will not put anything on the whiteboard. I know you will not do it again. You're a good girl. So, okay. So now back to the thing that you were doing. So how do we, so when we go out, don't we ask for 1 liter bottle or 2 liter bottle or half liter bottle?
Yes.
So also
Liter.
measure liquids, correct?
Measure solid also.
Solid we did in kilograms. So we measure liquids. Also, don't you, we also measure time.
Time? No.
Yes. Doesn't your parents say it's time to sleep, it's time to eat, it's time to play, it's time to study? Correct?
Yes.
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 And also what else do we measure? We measure distance.
Yes, we measure distance. Yes, we made it. My
So we
dad
say-
has a measuring tape.
Exactly. We use measuring tape. Yes. And we measure distance when we say we are going from one place to another. We say we are going 10 kilometer, or is it 2 kilometer far, or it is 5 kilometers, or it is 1,000 kilometers. Yes,
On
Khadija?
the road, we can see my dad is what it is 10 kilometers.
Exactly. So we measure distance also. We also measure.
Measuring cup.
Oh wow, cool. I also have measured stuff. Now then we also measure height. When you go to doctor, they check your height also.
Yes.
Yes. So we measure height also. What else do we measure? We did time, liquids, solids, height.
Kilograms.
Kilograms is we have done weighing scale, weight of things, weight of fruits and vegetables. We have done that.
Length.
And okay, I will say measure
chairs.
Ten.
Those chairs. But they don't want to sit on chairs anymore. Huh? Me.
Okay, so we measure length. Anything else? Okay, so what we will do now is I'm going to clear this thing so we know all this, and I'm going to stop sharing this. I'm going to share something else with you. Just a second, okay? Okay, so everyone can see this? What have I
Yes.
written? Measurement.
Measurement.
Measurement. So now, can you think of things that we measure like centimeter, kilometer? What all can you all think of?
Length, centimeter, meter, then
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, miles.
Miles also. Very good. So,
Liters. ml.
very good. Now tell me, what do you see on the screen? Centimeter,
Centimeters, meters,
meters,
kilometers, grams,
grams,
kilometers,
kilometers,
kilometers, grams, liters, kilograms, liters, millimeters.
millimeter also. Yes. Can I add millimeter in this?
Millimeter.
And the millimeters there only.
Yes, ma'am. The
No, I have
millimeter
written-
is there only.
I have written milliliters, not millimeters.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Anything
There's only
else?
one M.
Yeah. And then
Ma'am,
I will say
In
time.
the space, light something.
Okay. So in time, what do we do? Time also we can say hours and minute. So we do hours
Yes.
and minutes, and also seconds, right?
Seconds.
Yes.
And milliseconds. Ma'am,
Milliseconds.
milliseconds.
Yeah, milliseconds.
Milliseconds.
Milliseconds
And
also.
even seconds.
Oh, you okay. Okay, so this is all that I can think of that we use in our day-to-day life, correct? But before, let me just bring
Yes.
the participants. Yeah. So we can so these are the types. Anything else that anyone can remember in a day-to-day
Ma'am.
life? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in space,
Mm.
space you also measure. What it is called? No.
Light years.
Light years.
Light years. Light years is a you know what's a light year?
It's
Yes.
it's more than a meter.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It is
In
much more than a
space.
meter.
We
Yes.
measure it in space.
Yes, we
Yeah.
measure it in space. It is
To go to Earth.
not to go to. You are on Earth. You go from Earth to somewhere else.
Yeah, means like
You
that.
are on
From
on
moon
Earth.
to Earth. From
From
moon
any-
to Earth.
From anywhere in the space, you calculate. You use light year because you need a very big measuring.
Ma'am, light year.
As you want me to write light year also here? Okay, I
Yes.
will just write light year. Wait
Maybe
a second.
Umema, we should write speed, maybe, isn't it? That's what we
Wait a
calculate.
second.
No.
So speed. So speed in that we have kilometer per hour, and I'm also going to write a light year in this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can I write this?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the ones that we use in our day-to-day life where we who's doing this?
Not me.
Who's doing
Not
this?
me. Not me.
Khadija. Not me. Not me. And no names are also there.
Thank you. Whoever did this removed it. I'm really happy. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So these are the types of measurement that we use every day: centimeters, meters, kilometers, grams, kilograms, liters, milliliters, millimeters, time. Now, before going to that, I want you to do this thing. Now, these are called measurement comparisons. Who's doing these arrows again?
Not me. Not me.
Whoever is
Not
doing this.
me.
Ma'am, do you want to
Whoever-
disable it?
Not
You can,
me.
can I just help you with disabling it?
Yeah, just a second. Just a second.
Long and
You can go to
short,
screen share and
Just a second. Just a
Big
second.
and small,
I'm not
big
able to.
and
Tiny,
thin,
ma'am.
heavy and
tall
light,
and
more
tiny.
and less, long and short, tall and short.
Okay.
You know, I'll have to stop you. I'll have to stop sharing.
No, hold on. I'll tell you what to do, ma'am. What you
Yeah.
do is just go to the extra dots on the screen share, the advanced sharing option.
It's not there.
Not there. Like if you just the three dots or
Yeah, I stopped participants annotations.
yeah, perfect. Or you can actually
yeah,
find out who does, so you can say show participant's name.
No,
You'll
no,
find-
I don't want to do that.
I know my naughty kids, but you will find them also.
Exactly. That's okay. I know that. I know that. Okay, come on. Let's get back to the class. So now we are going to do this. Yes.
Ma'am, I was paused. I don't know how to do.
Yeah, that's okay. So what do you see? So we see the measurement comparisons. So let's
Big
say,
and small, thick and thin, heavy and light, more and less, long and short, tall and short.
very good. Okay.
Less, long and short, tall and short.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you, I want you to get things from house. Same thing, which is big and small. So one thing, so same thing it has to be. Like for example, if it's a toy, the same toy has to be in big and small. So can you all go and get it from me?
Me?
I want you. Okay. For example, if I say ball, then you get a big ball and a small ball.
But if we don't have like that, so
You have to go and find. You will. I am sure you will find. You have to go.
two
and
things, same thing. You have
Right.
to bring. And I got it.
Same thing in
Ma'am, I
two
got
different
it.
sizes. Show me what did you bring?
Big toy and
Ma'am,
I got it. Ma'am,
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah, Musfira, show me what did you bring?
Ma'am.
A big mobile and a small mobile. Very good. Mustafa, what did you bring?
ma'am, a big paper plane and a small paper plane.
Very good. Manha, what are you going to get for us? Okay. Khadija, what did you bring?
Big air pump and
Okay.
small swimming toy.
So I want the same thing. I want like Musfira bought a big mobile and a small mobile.
Nancy, a small book and a big book.
Very good. Khadija, you need to bring something like a small book and a big book. You need to bring the same things. Okay? Same thing in two different sizes.
See, I got it.
Very good, Musfira. A big ball and a small ball. Okay. What is Umar? What did you bring? Zainab, what did you bring?
Nancy, ma'am, big cupboard. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Zainab, you are on mute.
cupboard.
Okay. Okay, Zainab, you are on mute. You need to unmute yourself. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Very good. Okay, Zainab. Yes.
Ma'am,
Mana,
I
you're- Yes, tell me. Hashir, show me what did you bring? Very good, Musfira. Very good, Hashir. So this, show me which is the big mobile
Ma'am,
and the small one. Good.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
I brought a
Okay.
and a fat book.
Okay, very good. Show me.
ma'am,
Yes.
I was paused.
Very good. Mana, your screen is frozen, so I can't see you. So can you just switch off your screen and switch it on again?
Okay, ma'am.
I can't see you. I'm just stuck on one frame for you.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Okay. So, very good, Musfira. She bought a big bag and a small bag. Very good. Okay. So now, then next we come to big and short. Then we come to thick and then I'm going to come to
Ma'am?
more on.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I will leave and log in.
Yes, I can see that. Umar, what did you bring? Our professor, what did you bring? I'm going to put Umar as professor.
I brought a thin book and a fat book.
Okay. Very good. Umar, show me, what did you bring?
I bought a fat book and a
Okay, I will. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I can see you.
Yes, now I can see you, Mana. Perfect. Can you show me
Ma'am.
what did you bring?
Ma'am,
Very good. Yes.
ma'am, a thick marker and a thin pencil.
Very good. Very good. So we measure. Can you know, I know about thick and thin and you can find that. Can you find out?
Ma'am, see?
this is light.
Ma'am, see?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
And I got a
Okay. Now I want you to now listen carefully. Everyone stop. Stop. Fine. Listen. I want you to bring examples of more and less. I want you to bring me examples of more and less. Yes. You get it from whom? Show me, Musfira. What did you bring?
A bottle. No,
Ma'am.
and this is full.
Okay, so
Ma'am.
more and less. Very good. Next example. Yes,
Ma'am.
show me.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
two paint bottles and
Okay.
more paint bottles, 4 of them.
Very good. So more and less. What else? What did Umayma bring? Umayma, you are mute.
Look.
More bread.
Very good.
More bread and less banana.
How many bananas?
And I bought
6.
And how many bread slices?
9.
Nine. So very good. What else can you bring? What else the others bought?
Ma'am, I bought more and less, heavy, long and short. Ma'am, I bought
What did you bring? Very good, Anna. So you got less. Okay, less and more.
3 sharpeners and 4
Markers. Very good. Very good.
whiteboard markers.
Very
Ma'am,
good. Now what is?
Ma'am,
Now can I do a tall and short? Yes, let's do a tall and short.
short.
Tall and short, but it has to be of the same thing. It has to be same thing. Tall and short, same thing. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's really quick. More things.
Long
Yes.
comb and short comb.
Yeah, long. It's called tall. It's called tall because you're holding it vertical. Tall and short. Very good. What next?
Ma'am,
Yes, I'm very happy, Musfira. You're very smart.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
Mustafa.
tall pencil and a short pencil.
Very good. Mana, what did you bring? Okay. Zainab, Zainab, what did you bring? Zainab? Zainab, what did you bring? Yes.
Me. Tall cupboard and short knee.
Very good. Very good. Hashir, did you bring anything? Okay. Sure. Very good. Zainab, what did you bring?
Short.
Okay.
And short.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, now you all can stop and come back to your screens. Okay, come back to your screens.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
is going then do
Show me. Okay. Okay, very
Ma'am,
good. More and more.
now.
Very good. So now we go to the
Ma'am.
next.
Ma'am,
now
light
everyone-
and dark. Ma'am, light and dark.
Okay.
Now light and dark. Now light and
No,
dark.
no, light and dark comes later. We are not doing light and dark now because light and dark is a different measuring unit altogether. We'll not go there. Now I'm just going to come to our next slide. So now, can you all come? Yeah. Now can you all come back to the screen? Can you all come back to the screen?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mana.
see, my name is Dorinda. My subject is Paul, and my name is Mom.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Musfira.
this is light and this is dark.
Okay, very good. But we're not doing light and dark now. Okay, come back to the next. Come back now to the slides. I'm going to do this. So now this is thick and thin. Everyone can see which one is a thick and which one is thin.
Yes.
Yes.
So all the
That side
images,
is thin and that side is thick.
left side is
Thick.
thick, and the right side is.
But ma'am, you wrote ulta.
So that's okay. You have to tell me. That's the reason I wrote it ulta. That's the reason I wrote it like that. Thick and thin. So when you say, okay, now if you, can you bring, okay, I'm going to ask one person from you. Umaima. Okay, only Umaima will get up. And Umaima, you will get me 3 things of different widths. 3 things.
Which means
3
Wait.
things. So 3 things in sizes, like a thick pencil, thin pencil, and a thicker pencil. So get me a color pencil, a normal pencil, and a marker, something like that. So 3 things which are of 3 different sizes. Only Umaima will get up, no one else will. No, you wait.
You give me.
Yeah, I'll give everyone a chance. We are going to do a lot of, I'm going to give everyone, but I don't want everyone to get up now. Only one child will get up at a time now. What happened? What happened?
see heavy and also light also.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
heavy
got
and
it.
light.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I got
show me.
it.
Show me the 3.
A thin
Very
color
good.
pencil, a bit thick pencil, and a thick marker.
Okay. Now I want everyone to see only the pen and keep the marker aside.
Okay.
Okay. So now out of these 2, the green pencil is thin and the black pen is thick. Correct? Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Yes. Now if you keep the pencil down, and just hold the pen and the marker. Pen and the marker. Now tell me, is the pen thick or thin?
Thin.
Thin. The pen becomes thin because you keep a marker which is thicker than the pen in front of it. When these measurements of thick, thin, tall, short, big, small, it's always a comparison. It's always a comparison. It is not an absolute. It is always a comparison. So you will always compare someone is taller than, so you can be taller than someone and you will be shorter than someone.
Can
Yes?
you see?
Yes, I can see that, Ali. You can keep it down now. Can you keep it down? Ali, I'll give you homework. You will use it later, but you need to keep it down now. Okay? So as I was saying, you all have to understand thick, thin, tall, short, long, small, big, more, less. All these are comparative terms. What are these?
Comparative terms.
Exactly. So you always compare. Umayma, I'm seeing you like a bat now. You're upside down. You're like a bat now. Again, you need to rotate yourself one more time. So then I'll be able to see you. Yes, perfect. Thank you. Okay. So these are, so I'm going to show you the same things.
Nancy.
Yes, wait. So now here in this heavy and light.
The camera, I did something else.
Yeah, okay. Now can you see the heavy and lighter objects?
Yes.
So which is heavier, brick or feather?
Brick.
Brick. Yes. Yeah, brick is heavier. Then between duster and chair, which is heavier?
Chair.
And between a bag and a pen? Obviously the bag.
Bag.
And a desk and a toothpick?
Yes.
Desk.
No,
What if I say the toothpick is heavier?
no, it can't.
Toothpick is very light.
It is light, but imagine I take a truckload of toothpicks. Will it be heavier than the table?
Yeah.
No. Table is very heavy and chair is.
No,
100% more.
yeah, no, wait a second. Imagine if I compare a table and a truckload of toothpicks. Then which will be heavy?
Truckload
Truckload of toothpicks, exactly. So even if so small things, when you combine, they become heavy.
Ma'am,
Now
see,
here,
I'm again like a bat. I'm even not
okay.
moving my camera.
Okay. You want to stay like a bat? You can stay like a bat. It's okay. You can stay
Yay.
like a bat. Yeah, I have no issues. Everyone can be a bat today. I have no issues.
But
You all want to be a
actually,
bat.
I don't know how to be a bat.
You don't know how to be a bat. How is that possible?
Yes.
Go and watch the background. It will be a rotate 90. You can press on that. Then it will happen like a bat.
Okay. So Umayma, you can teach them after class. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I come back to this. So on the screen, you can see the long and short. You can see the long and short. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the difference between long and short. Okay. And the pencil also. And here tall and short. Now which one is tall and short? You all can see the examples of tall and short, correct?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Tall and short.
Yes.
Giraffe.
Okay, so we'll do one by one. Is giraffe tall or the fox is tall?
Giraffe.
Okay, is the tree tall or the bush tall?
Tree.
Tree. Is the building tall or the house is tall?
Tower.
Building, tower, very good. Building. And the last one are two pyramids. So one is a short and one is tall, correct?
Yes.
Very good. What? Okay. So these, okay, now I'm going to come back. Now I'm going to come back to this thing. Now that you understand that we were talking about comparisons, correct?
Yeah.
We were talking about comparison. I'm just going to stop sharing here for a minute. So we were talking about comparative things. So all long, short, tall, big, small, all are comparisons. Now, if I tell you to compare and measure something, a fixed thing, which everyone on this earth will understand. So if I say, now can everyone do this thing with your hands? Show me your fingers. This is called a hand span. What is this called?
Handstand.
Is everyone's a telephone, exactly. It's called a hand span. Now, is everyone's hand span the same?
No.
And then you have to do like this and like this and like this.
Exactly.
Like
Two headphones. Okay, so this is a hand span. Now, okay, so now this is a hand span. Is it same for everyone?
No.
So if I ask, okay, wait a second. If I ask you to measure the length of this phone and I say it is half my hand span, will it be same for you?
No. No.
No. That's the reason we have, okay, that is the reason we have fixed. Yeah, it is safe for my, it is for you, it's one hand span. For me, it will be half a hand span. Okay. So now this is, yes, Musfira.
I am easy with this.
This is not a hand span.
Then what is it? Okay, now I have mute everyone. So now you have to listen to what I'm telling you. This is one hand span. If you take the hand span and you show it to everyone and you try to measure with a hand span, it will not be the same. You need a standard measure to be able to measure. That's the reason we have things like centimeter, meter, kilometer, liters, measuring, because that's when we can all measure. So no matter where you go on the earth, no matter where you go, 1 centimeter will always be 1 centimeter, 1 meter will always be 1 meter, 1 inch will always remain the same. Okay. Just a second. Okay, I need to unmute everyone. Okay, can everyone unmute themselves now?
Yes.
Okay. So did you all understand? Yes. So did you all very good. So did you all understand what I said? No matter where you go, 1 centimeter will always be 1 centimeter.
Floating in the air and she's upside down.
Which is fine. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. So okay. So now can you see, now all of you can see the different measures? Centimeter.
Yes.
Kilometer. Now these will never change whether you are here or go to America or you go to Australia or you go anywhere.
London,
These will
Australia,
London,
America, USA.
anywhere. No matter where you go, 1 centimeter will always be 1 centimeter. No matter even if you go to Mars or you go to Moon. Even if you go to Moon, 1 centimeter will always be 1 centimeter. 1 meter will always be 1 meter. Africa also, yes. So that's why these are called standard measures. Antarctica also. Yes, Antarctica also. No, even underwater. India, anywhere. Even if you go underwater, even if you go swimming or scuba diving inside ocean, still 1 meter will stay 1 meter. So these are called standard measures. What are these called?
Standard measures.
Exactly. So these are called standard measures and they don't change from anywhere to anywhere. Okay. Now let me just see if I have I found a. Now see this. Can everyone see this? What is this?
Scale. A scale.
It's a scale. So can you see this? So can you see the 0 and 1?
Yes.
So this is called a 1 centimeter. What?
1 centimeter.
And then 1 centimeter is, so this 1 centimeter will never change. Okay. Now similarly, if I show you this is from 0 to, no, this is called 1 inch. What is it called? 1 inch. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you all are going to bring this kind of a scale in your next class.
Yes.
Small scale.
Next
You can, we will have the next class on Friday morning.
I have this yoga.
No, Ali, I don't want you to use a measuring tape. I want you to bring a scale. this 6 inches 15 centimeter scale. Okay, everyone is going to bring this kind of a scale.
See my scale.
Okay, I can see that. So next class, make sure every comes with this kind of scale. Okay. Okay, and also
See, here is 0 and here is 1.
yes, exactly.
Ma'am, see my scale.
Ali, I can't see your scale.
Chitika, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, I
it's
can see your
break
scale.
now.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's break now.
it's okay. No, yeah, now it's going to be a break. I can see all of you getting tired. So now we are going to take, we are anyways finishing the class. And we are going to start.
Ma'am,
Yes.
see. Ma'am,
Very
see.
good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
see,
good.
here is 0 and here is 1.
Very good. So now we are going to stop the class for today. What we did was a comparative measure and we just started on the standard measures. Next time, I want all of you to sit with your scale and then we will continue the class on Friday. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for
Bye-bye.
Thank you for class.
Thank you. You're welcome. See you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
And bye-bye, everybody. And listen, you have your 12 o'clock class where you need to bring a candle. Shazia, I can inform them what they need to do.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave now. Okay, chalo.
Okay, Kritika, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye. So you all have to get a candle, and I want your parents to be around. Okay, so because we are using the candles, I want the parents to be around and help you all. So we need a candle, a dish, okay, a water, and let me just check and I'll just inform you. So be ready by 12 o'clock.
A see-through glass, a coin,
Yes.
a candle, and water.
Thank you, Umaima. Thank you. That made my work so easy. Thank you and love you, Umaima. So I'll just.
Why are you upside down, Umaima?
She loves to be like a bat.
Teacher.
Okay, bye everyone.